Welcome traders, this is Patrick from Trading123. In this video we're going to talk about the Trading123 Opening Range Breakout strategy here. Trades of the day here on April 1st, 2022. You know, when you first get involved in trading, it's all about indicators and seeing what works and trying this indicator, that indicator, support, resistance. But a lot of people don't understand breakout trading and strategies, something that's programmed that when something triggers, it has a high percentage of producing winning trades. And that's what the ORB strategy is. How would you like to make $300 to $500 every day in one trade? As you'll see here, with our ORB strategy, it is quite possible to do. No need to have 8 indicators on your chart. You just have the strategy. A breakout occurs like here in crude oil. This is on Friday, April 1st. We had a goal of 500, or actually I think it was 560. And the market broke out. The market's going to go one way or the other. And if it breaks out, it's going to take it to the upside. If it breaks down and sells off, it's going to take it to the downside. And like I said, it can be a one and done trade, and you can set the strategy to trade any amount of contracts or profit amount. Now, crude is a lot quicker than YM. So, you know, the two quickest futures to trade are the NQ and crude oil. You know, they rip out of the gate, go up 30, 50, 60 ticks, and your one and done is done. Like this trade, I think lasted a whole 40 seconds. So now the other futures, like say the ES and YM, they tend to move more slowly and trend, you know, up or down. The NQ at times can be like a ping pong ball. It bounces up 40 ticks and then does a 180 and goes down 60 ticks. So if you're getting involved in breakout trading, what are you going to trade? Something that's more trending, or something that you know, is a ping pong trade? I would suggest going with the ES and YM with the ORB strategy. Crude oil, you can set it up and play the breakouts, and within minutes you can hit a daily goal on 2 or 3 contracts of $300, $500, $800. And that's exactly what happened here. We got long on this breakout. It went up. Strategy got long at 117. Went all the way to 129, so that's 12 ticks, and then 140. So that's 23 ticks on 2 contracts. So there's your goal. And it actually went all the way to 180, so we very easily could have hit this profit goal. We have traders that are using it, trading the crude oil, you know, trading 1 or 2 contracts, $200 is their goal, and they're hitting it. So that's a trade of the day on crude oil. Alright, now let's take a look at our ES trade. Basically, ES Friday, market went sideways the first 20 minutes or so, and then it couldn't go up, so it had to go down, and the strategy got short, and it sold off and came just shy of our profit goal minus commissions. We ended up with 487.76. Now again, these are quick trades that happen, so you're not worried about sideways chop. And it's a strategy. You can set it and forget it, and you don't even have to be there. So that's our ES trade on 3 contracts. And with the settings on the software, there's an offset. So here's the low of the opening range. So a lot of times you will see the price come down and touch the low and then bounce up. Our software has an offset to prevent that from happening, from you getting stopped out, as you'll see in the YM trade here. Or let's look at the crude oil trade here. So say this touched the line there. If you don't have an offset set, it'll just trigger and then it kind of goes sideways. But our ES trade, you know, it fell right away and got short and down it went. And then our YM trade, look right here, it went up, touched the line. So our offset prevents that from triggering a trade and getting you stopped out. So, and then down here the same thing happened. So this makes the software very valuable to your trading strategy. Most strategies don't have this, and they would have a great fail rate. Ours has it in, as our programmers have over 30 years experience, and one of them has worked for NinjaTrader for 10 years. So it's been programmed to the highest standards and the top quality components to prevent a trigger when it, you know, touches the line. And there's other built-in features in it. So like here, strategy gets short, hits its first profit target, and then it goes kind of sideways, and our stop is up here, and eventually the market was not weak here. It was a sideways Friday's day, so we ended up getting stopped out on the last 2 contracts with $197 profit. So that's 3 trades with the ORB strategy, and they all, 2 of them hit their goals, not all of them, and they all were in the money. As you see, so this is the opening range breakout strategy. It's a very powerful strategy. It's been around for 30, 50 years. It works every day, as you see. No need to rely on indicators. Trading is all about support and resistance, and that's the way the strategy works. And that's the way we traded it on April 1st, 2022, a Friday, first Friday of the month. So this is Patrick with Trading123. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here for more trading tips. And like us on Facebook and Twitter. And as I said, this is one of the most easiest strategies to operate, and the potential for profits is there each and every day. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video, and good luck with your trading.